Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Kinah with KinahIAm. Today I'm going to be unboxing the February 2023 cloth and paper stationery subscription box. I know I've been MIA for a while, y'all. I typically take off January every year. I just give myself some time to reset. And so we are back to unboxings and plannings. Oh my goodness, look at my desk. Okay, so I love that the cloth and paper boxes are now coming packed in these little bags. Super cute. But I'm gonna grab this stuff out of here and just grab the what's inside card. It says thank you for subscribing to our January 2023 planning and stationery box. Correction, this is the January box. We hope you enjoy this collection of our newest designs, stylishly created for you in your planning routine. It lists all the items and it gives you small disproportionate pictures of what's in the box. So I'm just going to stick that up here and use it as a guide as I unbox. So I'm going to slide all of this stuff out of here. I don't know what I'm going to use these bags for, but we're going to repurpose them, okay? So the first thing on our list is the Essentialism Dashboard Duo. And it says our Essentialism dashboard is layered to give a feeling of space and depth. On the front, a quote, good lord, a quote by Gregory McCowan is printed on transparent vellum. In the background, embossed letters spell out, I'm not about to try to butcher that, but it means less is better. With its simplicity, this dashboard inspires you to create the architecture of your ideal life. So this one says, essentialism is not about how to get more things done. It's about how to get the right things done. It doesn't mean just doing less for the sake of less either. It is about making the wisest possible investment of your time and energy in order to operate at our highest point of contribution by doing only what is essential. I like that. And then as this one describes, it has the raised letters here. So this is the Essentialism Dashboard Duo. The next item we have is the Project Management Insert. It's a pretty hefty pack here. And the description says, execute your ideas with our Project Management Insert. Each template features tools to organize details and streamline the process. Headers mark the duration of each project. The dot grid provides a versatile space to draw graphs, sketch ideas, or write notes. Columns divide to-dos with sections for the date, the task, and the check mark. Finally, the timeline creates a visual roadmap for each step. Every aspect was thoughtfully designed to help you accomplish your goals. So let's do a flip through. We have project, dot grid, and a line space with a section over here for you to check things off. And on the back you have a timeline. I like that. I like that. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 11. Are they all the same? Okay, they're all the same. Okay. I love that Cloth and Paper has gotten back to giving us this demo page. And it's pretty much the insert and they show you how to use it. So here on the demo, they're doing a project for the pantry remodeling. You've got budget, paint, shelves, storage, snacks, cans, and it's kind of like sketched out. And then down here in the to-do section, you've got the date. Is that here? Because I must have missed that. Sure did. A spot for the date, a spot for the notes, and then a spot to check things off. And then on the back, you've got a kind of timeline so you can, I love this. So it shows the date you installed the new shelves and painted the walls and organized items. Y'all, I love this insert. I'm probably going to go ahead and jump into these immediately. So this is the Project Management Insert. The next item we have is another hefty item. If you saw last month's unboxing, then you already know. Actually, I'm over here giving you inaccurate information. I did not film last month's unboxing because we were on a break. But this is the sticky note holder. So as you can see, it was wrapped well to keep it from breaking in transit. Ooh, I love this. I hope it doesn't tear up my desk. Hope not. But oh my goodness, that is nice. And the description says, hold your note neutralites and functional sticky notes in one place with this stylish and modern piece. An excellent addition to any desk, home office, or workspace, and perfect for keeping things organized. Holds a standard size post-it or sticky notepad, and then a standard size is 3x3. So the next item we have on the list is the Project Tracker Notepad. And it says, start the year off right with this new functional notepad to track new habits, projects, or goals. The grid and pie graph layout lets you visually show your progress and promote accountability. Use in conjunction with the new progress sticker set, which we're going to get to next. I love this notepad. I love Cloth and Paper's paper quality, okay? So at the top, we've got Progress Tracker. We've got a lined grid section here, and then we've got 3 pies to track our progress. So I'm just going to sit that here for a second so that we can go over the progress sticker set. And the description says, create bar graphs and pie charts flawlessly with this new sticker set. Comes in exclusive Cloth and Paper colors, which are Fawn, Lagoon, and Saddle. Fits perfectly into the Progress Tracker notepad and can be used to add visual elements to your existing planner layout. So I'm just going to take the inserts out here so we can see. So we've got bar graph stickers in the 3 colors. We've got pie chart stickers, and as you can see, they're designed to fit, well, here, these bottom 4, the big ones, are designed to fit here, or actually you could probably get the other ones in there too. So those are the pie chart stickers. And then we've got pie chart stickers in all 3 colors, the Fawn, the Saddle, and the Lagoon. So this is the Progress Tracker notepad along with the Progress sticker set. The next item is the appointment sticky notes, and they're in the color Aspen. So we've got appointment, date, time, location, follow-up, and a section over here for notes. This is a standard 3x3, so if you wanted to peel this off and stick it in your new sticky note holder. I hate that they do that. It really sucks. Boom. Isn't it perfect? So those are the appointment sticky notes. And last but not least, we have the cards that came in the little packet in the beginning. We've got always remain open to turns and surprises along the way. You never know when you're going to do your best work. Be willing to experiment. And that's a quote by Rick Rubin. And this one says, from the ground up, you can start with nothing, and out of nothing and out of no way, a way will be made. And that's a quote by Michael Beckwith. And then we also have our pop-up calendars for February and March. We got one in the December box for January. And these just fold and then connect, and then they stand up on your desk. What I've done with my January card is I've put a little small piece of washi tape here on the bottom. I'm all out of frame. A small piece of washi tape here on the bottom, and then one here on the back, and so it just stands straight up like that. So you've got February and then you've got March. Okay, so let's go back through this. We got our cards. Then we got our appointment sticky notes along with the sticky note holder. We got our Progress Tracker notepad along with our Progress sticker set. Then we got our project management inserts that I absolutely love. And last but not least, we got our Essentialism Dashboard Duo set. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.